Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Adam Lacerna. And today, this morning, around 5 a.m., nice and early, chicken fried steak. And this is a filleted London broil. And what better way to cook a London broil than to broil it, but also chicken fried steak. I made a seasoning, floured seasoning with garlic powder, salt, pepper, and then we're going to fry this in olive oil and butter. A lot of olive oil, a little bit of butter goes a long ways. My grandmother cooked it like this, her mother cooked it like this, and my mother cooked steak like this. This is ranch food, hunter food. And the unique process of cooking chicken fried steak in a batter